Problem solution using Python, Pod C, 20, April 2020 question paper. Write a program to find sum of all items in a dictionary. Aim to write a program to find sum of all items in a dictionary. Algorithm. Step 1, start the program. Step 2, set some values to the item as a dictionary. Step 3, add all values of item using the built-in function. Step 4, print the values of sum. Step 5, stop the program. The program sum of item in a dictionary. My dic is dictionary. X value is 250, Y value 500, Z value 410. Print the dictionary and my dic. Print sum of values, sum of my dic values, print. Output is dictionary, Y value, X value and Z value. Then sum of the values we add 160. The result, find all items in dictionary programs are executed successfully. 21. Explain the iterative control statement. The iterative control statement is a control statement providing the repeated executions of the set of instructions. The iterative control structure is a set of instructions and iterative control statement controlling their execution. A while statement is an iterative control statement that repeatedly executes a set of statements based on provided the Boolean expression as long the conditions of the while statement is true. The statement within a loop are executed. Once a condition becomes false, the iteration terminates and the control continue with the first statement after the while loop. The while statement example use the while condition. Example, sum equal to 0, current equal to 1, n equal to int. Int means integer data type. They will give the input, enter values while current less than equal to n. If current less than equal to n means we add sum equal to sum plus current equal to current plus 1. This is example use of while statement. The input error changing. While the statement is well suited for the input error checking the program. The temperature conversion program Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius. Display the program will come. Print this program will convert the temperature Fahrenheit to Celsius. Print enter F to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Print enter C to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. Get temperature to convert which equal to input enter selections. While which not equal to F and which not equal to C. Which equal to input, please enter F or C. Temp equal to input of enter the temperature to convert. Determine the temperature conversion need display the result. If H double equal to F, converted temp format temp minus 32 into 5 by 9 if. Print temp comma degree Fahrenheit equals converted temp degree Celsius. Else converted temp equal to format of 9 by 5 into temp plus 32 if. Print temp degree Celsius equal converted temp degree Fahrenheit. Infinite loop. The infinite loop are the iterative control structure that never terminate the system error. Infinite loops are generally the result programming error. The infinite loop can cause a program to hang, that is unresponsive to the user. In such cases, a program is terminated by the use of some special keyboard input Ctrl C to interrupt the execution. For example, add up the first n integers, sum equal to 0, current equal to 1, n equal to, given the input, enter the value, while current less than equal to n, sum equal to sum plus current. This is an example program given infinite loop. Definite versus infinite loop. The definite loop is a program loop in which the number of times the loop will iterate and can be determined before the loop is executed. Although it is not known what the value of n will be, until the input statement is executed. If the value is known at the time the while loop is reached, that will execute the number of times. Example, sum equal to 0, current equal to 1, n equal to input values, enter the values while current less than equal to n, sum equal to sum plus current equal to current plus 1. The indefinite loop is a program loop which number of times that loop will iterate cannot determine before the loop is executed. Which equal to input, enter selection, while which not equal to f and which not equal to c, which 5 equal to input, please enter f or c. The Boolean flags and the infinite loop, the single Boolean variable used as a condition of the given control statement called the Boolean flag. The example program given, print. This program will determine if your car need the oil change. Initialization, the miles between the oil changes 7500, number of miles between the oil changes, miles warning equal to 500. How soon the two ones of needed the oil change, valid entries equal to false, while not valid entries, mileage lost oil change equal to input, enter the mileage of the lost oil change, current mileage equal to input, enter the current mileage. If current mileage less than mileage lost oil change, print invalid entry, the current mileage entered is less than, print mileage, enter the lost oil change, else the miles travelled, the current mileage equal minus mileage lost oil change, valid entries equal to true. If miles travelled greater than equal to miles oil change, print if you are due the oil change, else if miles travelled greater than equal to miles oil change minus oil miles warning. Print if you will soon due the oil change, else you are not immediate the oil change. If it is true, the oil change will be soon, otherwise it is not an immediate oil change in this program. 22. Write a Python code to temperature conversion program using function. Formula used, f equal to c asterisk 1.8 plus 32 or c into 9 by 5 plus 32, c equal to f minus 32 by 1.8 or f minus 32 into 5 by 9. The algorithm, start the program, get the input of the choice from the user. If choice is 1, calculate the Celsius to Fahrenheit using formula f equal to c asterisk 1.8 plus 32 or c asterisk 9 by 5 plus 32. Step 4. If the choice 2, calculate the Fahrenheit to Celsius using the formula c equal to f minus 32 by 1 by 8 or f minus 32 into 5 by 9. Step 5. Otherwise end the program. Step 6. Stop the program. Print, enter the options are 1 for f, C, 2 for C, to F, any other for exist. CH is input given, enter the choice 1 to 3. If choice equal to 1, Fahrenheit equal to float, input be given, enter the temperature Fahrenheit. Celsius equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 by 1.8. Print the temperature in Celsius. Cell, else if CH equal to 2, choice equal to 2, cell equal to float input, enter the temperature in Celsius, Fahrenheit equal to cell asterisk 1.8 plus 32. Print the temperature in Fahrenheit equal to Fahrenheit. Else print program end. The output, enter choice 1 to 3, 1. Temperature is Fahrenheit 113. Give the temperature of Celsius is 45. The result Fahrenheit to Celsius or developed the program successfully. 23. Explain the fundamental total attributes and the behavior. The absolute positioning. The method position return the total current positions for newly created turtle. Thus return the tuple. The turtle positions can be changed absolute position by moving turtle to the specific x, y coordinate the location by the use of method set position. Set window. In this diagram, set window title, window equal to total dot screen, window dot title, absolute positioning. Get default total and hide the total equal to total dot get title, total dot hide title. Create the square, the absolute positioning, the total dot set positioning 100, 0, total dot set position 100, 100, total dot set position 0, 100, total dot set position 0, 0. Then exit on the close window, total dot exit on click. The total heading and the relative positioning. The total position can also change through the relative positioning. In this case, the location of the total moves to the determine the second fundamental attributes is heading. A newly created heading, the total is right at 0 degree. The total heading 90 degrees moves up, 180 degrees moves left. The heading 270 degrees moves down. The total heading can be changed turning the total given number of degrees, left 90, right 90. This forward method moves the turtle in the direction that is currently heading. Set windows title, windows equal to total dot screen, windows dot title of relative positioning. Get default total and hide total equal to total dot get title, total dot hide total. Create box, the total dot forward 100, the total dot left 90, the total dot forward 100, the total dot left 90, the total dot forward 100, the total dot left 90, the total dot forward 100. Finally, exit on close window, the total exit on click. Pen attributes. The pen attributes of the total object related to the drawing capabilities. Most of the fundamental attributes, whether the pen is currently up or down, controlled by the method pen up and pen down. When the pen attributes is up, the turtle can be moved to the another location without lines being drawn. This is especially needed when drawing the graphical images with disconnected the segment. Turtle dot setup 800, 600. Turtle equal to window equal to total dot screen, window dot title of drawing A. The turtle equal to total dot get title, the total dot hide turtle, the total dot pen up. The set position is -100, 0. Total pen dot set position 0, 250. The total set position 100, 0. The total pen up set position -64, 90. The total pen down function, the total set position 64, 90. The total dot exit on click. The pen size of the turtle determine the width of the line drawn. The pen attributes is down. The pen size method is used to control the total pen size of 5. The width is given the pixel and the limited only the size of the turtle screen. Pen size 1, pen size 11, pen size 21, pen size 41. In this diagram represent the size of the turtle screen, define the pen sizes. 24. Explain the inheritance in Python. Inheritance is the object-oriented programming is the ability of the class to inherit the member of the another class as part of its own definition. Inheriting class is called the subclass, also derived class. The class inherited form called the superclass. The base class or the parent class. The superclass may themselves inherit from the other classes, resulting in the hierarchy. Hierarchy inheritance. Hierarchy of classes. Inheritance is the capability of one classes to derive inherit properties of another class. It represents the real world relationship. It provides the reusability of code. Then it is a transitive nature, which means a class B inherit from another class A. Then all the subclasses B will automatically inherit from class A. Example program, class name is parent, constructor, variable of parent class, then methods. The child class inheriting parent class, constructor of the child class, variables of the child class, method of the child class. Class A, the variable 1, method 1 define. Class B, variable 1, variable 2, method 1 and method 2. Class C, variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, method 1, method 2, method 3. Class 4, variable 1, variable 2, method 1, method 2, method 4. Class E, variable 1, method 1 and method 5. The class A is a superclass of all classes in the figure. The subclasses A and B can inherit the variable 1, the method 1 from class A. In addition, class B define variable var2 and method 2. The class E define the method 5. Since the class E is a subclass of class B, inherit everything in class A and class B. Adding the variable 3 and method 3 in one definition. Since the class E is also the subclasses of class B, it inheriting every class in the class A and class B, also defining method 4. Subtype is something that can be substituted for behave as a parent type etc. For example, animal is a multicellular, mammal hair, mammary glands vibrates, private large brain, opposable thumb, Pepposidia, trunks, plant heaters. It is a primate defined chimpanzee. Proposidia defined elephant. Base class and the derived classes defined. Defining the subclasses in Python. The class name of the built-in type in Python. There exists the class definition each of the built-in type to determine the type the class name of the particular value in Python. The built-in function can be used. Class base object constructor defined def initialization of self command name. Self dot name equal to name. We giving the constructor to get the name def get name of self. Return self dot name. Inherit the subclasses. Class child base constructor def initial self command name age. In base initialization self command name self dot age equal to age to get the name def get age of self. Return the self age. Inherit the subclass node person in bracket. Class grandchild of child constructor. The defined initialize self comma name comma age comma address. Child initiate self comma name comma age self address equal to address to get the address. Def get address of self. Return self dot address. G equal to grandchild Greek comma 23 comma Noida. Print G dot get name, G dot get age, G dot get address. Output is Greek 1 23 Noida. The class person object. The constructor define int self name self command name self dot name equal to name to get the name def get name of self. Return self name. Def is the employee of self. Return false. Inherit the subclass. The class name is employee. Employee is a defined person. The def is the employee self. It return true. Driver code. The emp equal to person of Greek. A object of the person. Print emp dot get name. Emp dot is employee. Emp equal to employee Greek 2. Print emp dot get name. Emp is employee. The output Greek 1 false, Greek 2 true. Different types of single inheritance, multiple inheritance. Single inheritance, when the child class inherit from only one parent class called in single inheritance. Multiple inheritance, when the child class inherit the multiple parent class called multiple inheritance. The class base 1 of object defined initiate self dot str1 equal to Greek 1. Print the base 1. Class base 2 def initiate self dot str equal to Greek 2. Print base 2. Str is the string. string 1, string 2, str1 is the string 1, str2 is string 2. The class derived base 1 comma base 2 define initial of self, base 1 dot initial of self, base 2 dot initial of self, print derived def print strs self, print self dot str string 1 self dot string 2 define str2 ob equal to derived function ob dot print str function. The methods str ob equal to derived method ob dot print str method. Output base 1 base 2 derived Greek 1 Greek 2. Multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance. When we have the child and the grandchild relationship, class base constructor def initialize self comma name, self dot name equal to name to get name, def get name of self returns self dot name. Inheritance the subclasses child class child base constructor def initiate self comma name comma age, base initialization self comma name self dot age equal to age to get the name, def get age of self return self age. Inheritance the subclasses the constructor giving def initiate self comma name comma age comma address, child initialization self comma name comma age self address equal to address. To get the address def get address of self, return self address. Driver code G equal to grandchild Greek 1 23 Noida, print get name age and address. Output Greek 1 to 3 Noida. Hierarchical inheritance, more than one derived classes created the single base. Hybrid inheritance, this form more than one form of inheritance basically blend more than one type of inheritance. The private members of the parent class we don't always use the instance variable of the parent class can be inheritance. The child class available to the child class by doubling the double underscores variable, by adding the variable double underscore before its name. For example, Python program to demonstrate the private members. Class C object define def int self dot c equal to 21 assigning values. The private instant variable self dot d equal to 42. Class D of C define initial of self dot e equal to 84. C dot int self object 1 equal to d method. It produces the error d is a private instant variable, print object 1 dot d. The output is the attribute error. Type the object d as no attribute d. Since d as made by underscore is not available the child class d, hence it defined as a error program. Thank you.